In this video, we'll show you how to make a PDF on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So for this, you'll need to head to the search menu and then look for Microsoft Word. So simply type in Word and then select the first result. So this will open an interface like this. Here, click on this blank document option. Now here you can simply enter the text that you want to use in your PDF. So simply enter the text like this. Now if you want to insert images, go to this insert tab, click on this pictures option and then select this device. So this will open this interface. Now select the images that you want to add. So I'll just go to downloads and then select this image and add it here. Now you can resize it like this or stretch it like this, whatever you want to do. Now once you have made your PDF, all you have to do is click on this file option, go to save as. Now here select this browse option. Now specify where you want to save the PDF, so I'll just select desktop. Now finally click on this save as type drop down menu and then choose PDF from the list. Now I'll just name it anything and then click on save. So once you have done this, all you have to do is go to your desktop and then open your PDF. So here's how it will appear. So it's quite easy to create a PDF.